Hey everyone, this is Cody, and I just wanted to make a quick announcement today that the donations for the Scottish Dark Sky Observatory project are now open. If you didn't know, the SDSO was burned to the ground in June 2021 through suspicious reasons. And that really hit me hard because observatories like SDSO is how I got my start in astronomy. Before college, I had never looked through a telescope, and I took an astronomy course in college. I was able to go look through a 20-inch Cassegrain in an observatory and saw Saturn and Albireo my first night, and I was absolutely smitten. My next semester, I took a leave of absence, and I used all of my tuition money to buy a Celestron NexStar ASE. That's how much I was into it. So these observatories can have really big impacts on people's lives. And besides that, most of my heritage is Scottish. My family, a lot of them immigrated to Canada before they came to the United States. So this entire thing just kind of hit me pretty hard. So to that end, I'd just like to announce that I am donating $500 to the Scottish Dark Sky Observatory rebuild. And what's really great is Celestron has agreed to match that. So thank you, Celestron. They'll also be donating $500. Now, if you'd like to make a donation to SDSO, I'll put the link right here below to donate, and I'll also put it in the description. And every little bit helps. So if you have $1, $5, $10 to donate, every bit helps them with that rebuild and really unlocking the night sky for the next generation. Now, I'd quickly like to just mention the war in Ukraine and subsequent humanitarian crisis before I end this video. If you can find a legitimate charity, and I emphasize legitimate there, where you can donate $1 or $5 or whatever you can, I'm sure it would go a long way to helping those people out. You know, people have been killed and wounded, buildings have been destroyed, families have been separated, and really there's just so many people around the world that need help. So whatever you can do, I encourage that. And you know, if you can't do anything, that's totally fine too. I appreciate you watching this this message anyway. So again, thanks for watching. If you donate to SDSO, wonderful, thank you. I wish the best of luck to the SDSO folks on getting that observatory rebuilt, and just be mindful of people in the world that need help. So have a great day and clear skies.